माशाल्लाह। आगे कुल हु अल्लाहु अहद से। म-
ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
माशाल्लाह, very good. Next, what is the next position? Say Allahu Akbar. Yes, very good. MashaAllah. आगे Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. Say 3 times in this position, ruku position. Very good. Now stand up. Sami Allahu liman hamida. आगे
ربنا لك الحمد.
MashaAllah. Very good. What is the next position? Allahu Akbar. Now say Subhana Rabbiyal Ala 3 times. MashaAllah. Very good. Say Allahu Akbar and sit like this.
Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah. Now say Allahu Akbar again and go to Sajda again. Say Subhana Rabbiyal Ala. MashaAllah. Very good. Now say Allahu Akbar and sit. MashaAllah. Good. Abdul Hasib, can I tell you something? Come closer. Come closer and don't share with anybody else. You are reading better than my other students. Okay? Now let's continue. At-tahiyyatu.
As my brother read the other as my brother read the qaida way better than the other student as well.
Yes. You are also reading like your brother, mashallah. Great. You please continue, continue. Sit properly like this. Follow this position. Follow, follow. Sit. Go back. Go back. पहले पीछे जाएं.
But.
Say at-tahiyyatu lillahi. Look down.
La ilaha illallah.
Listen. You please look down into your lap. At-tahiyyatu
Tayyatu
lillahi.
lillahi
Was-salawatu
wassalatu
wat-tayyibatu.
wattayyibatu.
Assalamu alayka.
Assalamu alayka.
Please sit properly. Ayyuhan nabiyyu
Ayyuhan nabiyyu
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alayna
Assalamu alayna
wa ala
wa ala
ibadillah
ibadillah
as-salihin.
salihin.
MashaAllah, very good, मेरे बेटा. Let's read again and try to memorize. Look here, मेरे बेटा. Look here. Are you following the same position or else? Follow the same position. Sit properly. Look down into your lap. At-tahiyyatu
Tahiyyatu
lillahi.
lillahi
You please continue. Was-salawatu
wassalatu
wat-tayyibatu.
wattayyibatu.
Assalamu alayka
Assalamu alayka
ayyuhan nabiyyu
ayyuhan nabiyyu
wa rahmatullahi
wa rahmatullahi
wa barakatuh.
wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alayna
Assalamu alaykum
wa ala ibadillahi as-salihin.
wa rahmatullahi
الصالحين. أشهد أن لا إله.
Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah.
मेरे बेटा, you have to raise right hand's index
Are you going
finger.
to record me?
Yes, you please continue reading. You have to raise your index
Have
finger.
you recorded me before? What about sister and my brother? You
You please continue, continue. I will tell you later. You please do it. Ashhadu an la ilaha. Look here.
never.
Listen. Sit properly. Put your hands on your thighs. Put your hands on your thighs. Sit properly, मेरा बेटा. मेरा बेटा, you are being recorded. Please sit properly, मेरा बेटा. Say ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Raise your index finger. Behave, my dear. Say ashhadu an la ilaha. Raise your hand, right hand, the index finger. Wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan.